So the weather's been absolutely rubbish. It's been raining every day. Tyler wanted to go camping because he wanted to use the rooftop tent, so I came up with an idea. So while I was at school, I stuck the rooftop tent in his bedroom. I'll just show you. There you go. What kid has a rooftop tent as a bed? As you can see, it's very spacious in here. It's got a double mattress. Beautiful, look at that. The only thing you gotta watch is that when you walk in to check that he's asleep, you don't headbutt it. But yeah, I'll show you how easy it is. It just falls down.